So hi guys, today we will check together Bionic Freeride shorts from Alpinestar. So this is how I received this in one big delivery from 24 MX. So let's check. This was the bag. Okay, just to be clear, I ordered L size. Okay, it's made in China unfortunately, but okay, like it is. So this is how the shorts looks like. Inside is just the label. Okay, sticker and label. So I'm tall and not so fat. I ordered L. Normally I'm ordering all shorts but I have L size. So this fits me well, I would say. Let's check some measurings. Okay, here is the rubber. Here on the top. Okay, it's not. All parts are here, not removable. Everything is here. Okay, so again, just to see. It's very difficult to measure, but okay. There we are. It's a 20 centimeters, 5 millimeters, and here I would like to do it something like that. From 0, okay, around 35. Good. Personal feeling, it's this is quite good foam. Also this protector is solid. This is the plastic, really the plastic. And yeah, also this on the back, it's really the plastic. Okay. So this is size L. Maybe we can check the weight. Okay, 610 grams. Maybe it will be visible, I don't know. 610 grams. Great. So if you have any question, send me the questions to the comments or on my email and we can check it. So I would say it looks quite solid. I'm happy for this purchase. Okay, you can see that this is the small misalignment, I would say, because of the China producing, but okay. Seems that all quality materials are used and I feel really comfortable with this on me. Thank you for your watching and have a nice evening.